Yes, it's here. It's finally here. Alright, so I just unboxed this enclosure for the RZR. It's from CEC Enclosures. I'll link the Facebook page below. But if you like this video, make sure you hit the like, subscribe if you like RZR content and just random shit. You never know what I'm going to post. Who knows? Anyway, first thing I've noticed is it came with this really nice bag to store it in, because you don't need it there in the summer. You got some snaps to screw in. These, I'm not really sure where they go yet, but overall it looks really nice. Nice and clear. All the stitching looks good. The zipper's nice. So now I'm going to install it and show you what it looks like. Alright, so got the enclosure installed. I really like it. I'm in it now. As you can see, the material seems very durable. So does the clear part of the material. I like it a lot. It seems real like enclosed in here. I guess that's why you call it an enclosure. I didn't get the back though. I didn't really see a need for it because it's not getting super cold down here in Tennessee. So I think it'll be fine. I just wanted to keep the wind off and some water because we ride in a creek a lot. So it's easy to get in and out. You have to unzip it to get in and out, which is fine. So that's what it looks like. You can unzip it and unsnap it from here and tie it up to this back pillar, and it works pretty good. I haven't rode with it yet. I do have a cheap, like the cheapest windshield, so it didn't really line up, but I just put a zip tie in it. But overall, I like it. It's really easy to put these snaps in. Just drill a little hole and put them in with a screwdriver. I'll leave a link to his Facebook page down below. Make sure you read the frequently asked questions so you don't ask a bunch of nonsense questions. All the pricing is down there and what he does and everything. There's also a phone number. I took a picture of his card to put on here. I recommend it for sure. It's cheaper than the Polaris ones, and I think it's better quality. Never seen one of the Polaris ones, but you know, a lot of their stuff is overpriced anyway. But if you like this video, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe if you want to. If you don't. But post all kinds of stuff about what I do, just fun stuff, riding, doing whatever I want basically, because it's my channel, right? So I guess I'll talk to y'all next time. Let me know if you'd like to see something interesting and maybe I'll do it, and peace out.